I know I'm fly, fuck what you think, that ain't a question. They like, hey baby, you need to stop doing all that flexing. I was like, where was niggas at when I was sleeping at the West End? Now niggas wanna take the credit for all of my blessings. Stupid. I had to cut your bitches off, bringing them problems to me. Yeah. I had to learn to live it up, cause nothing is promised to me. Yeah. I'm really proud of myself, I'm more than I wanted to be. I separated fake from real, it's more than I wanted to see.
Hey now, say now, it's your girl Crave in the building, and I am back with another banger for you. So you guys know we promised that we were going to start doing way more videos on YouTube and doing way more stuff. And we also said that we were going to do the pranks, right? So I want to get the prank started with you guys today, actually pranking Leek. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the cameras and stuff so he doesn't even know the cameras are set up, because he's going to come back and he's going to start helping Day Day with his homework. So I'm going to start setting up the camera and get everything set. And so this is the prank. I have bought some fake blood. I bought it back way like in Halloween just so he wouldn't think nothing of it. So I'm gonna pull that fake blood out. I'm gonna act like I was washing the dishes and I accidentally stuck my hand in there with the garbage disposal, and then there's just gonna be blood everywhere and stuff, and I'm gonna act like super dramatic, like I was crying. We just got done filming some stuff too, so he's not gonna pay attention to the fact that lights and stuff are up or none of that stuff. So let's do it. Just wait on it. Let's go. Team Crave, Team Crave. I'm gonna act like I was just about to start washing some dishes. As soon as he comes in. So, you guys, it looks so crazy. Wait, okay. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Like this is what I'm gonna have my hand looking like. And this is what the sink looks like. Where is it? Look. And I'm just gonna put it on so have blood just looking like it's everywhere. So be ready. And I'm gonna put some tears in my eyes like I was crying. So let's be ready. I'm nervous. I was just washing my hands. I just started washing the dishes and cleaning up from the video. I don't know what made me cut my whole hand in the garbage disposal. I don't know, because why would I turn on the garbage disposal but not turn on the garbage disposal? I don't know. Like, why would I turn it on? It's right here. Why would I turn it on with this hand? So I'm gonna say I was getting something out the garbage disposal and it just cut my hand wide open. Okay. I'm gonna do this. I'm so nervous. This is gonna be my first prank. I wanna put on this shirt because I don't wanna mess up my clothes. So hold on. And then when I hear him coming in, that's when I'm gonna do the rest of the stuff. Because he doesn't like blood and stuff like that. So, let me have the water ready. Try to save my shirt a little bit. I'm nervous, y'all. He's coming with Day Day too, so Day Day gonna be scared too. That's him. That's him. Oh, he's in my nose. Oh, shit. Okay, all over. Put this up. Put this up. Babe,
Yo,
I just fucked up.
what happened?
Look, I just come on home here.
Oh, what the fuck? Come on, you did what?
The garbage disposal.
How? Come on. Go get in the car.
I didn't see it. Is it bleeding?
No, it is. Come on, we need to go.
I didn't see how deep it is, babe.
No, you don't need to see. Come on, we need to go. Come on. Okay.
Get the water, get the peroxide from upstairs. Get the peroxide, please. Get the peroxide.
Wrap it up, man. We're gonna go to the
Okay, get the peroxide from upstairs,
Sit down,
please.
please. Can you sit down?
Just go get it,
I know,
please.
but you have to sit down.
Get the peroxide, please.
Come on.
Please get the peroxide.
Oh, you have to miss the thing.
Okay, get the peroxide.
I will. You sit down.
Garbage disposal just chopped my hand. It just chopped my hand up. Babe. Oh, shit. Babe, I think it's worse than last time. Oh, fuck.
Okay, sit down, baby.
Oh, good.
Is it your finger or what? Stop. Don't look at it, man. Come on, let's rinse it off. Oh, you a fucking asshole. Oh, you a fucking asshole. You're a fucking dickhead. So what the fuck is that? I'm wondering why the fuck you got this shirt on and shit. That ain't scared of fuck. What was that? What is that?
You was shaking like a
What the fuck? All right, y'all. So she got me good, yo. I ain't even gonna lie. She got me good. I was scared as hell. I ain't know what was going on. We finna get to the hospital though. So, shoot, she talking about get the peroxide. No, we need the hospital. So, but she got me good. I was not expecting that, yo. So, I give her that shit. She got that.
Yeah, Team Crazy.
She got that.
Give me some points, guys. Come on, socialites.
Definitely gonna get her back, y'all. So tune in, subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, Crave and Leek, cause I'm about to get my get back. She's definitely gonna get back. I gotta get it back.
Whatever.
That was good. I gotta top that.
Anyways, you guys, he told me to get the prank started back up, and that's exactly what I did. I got it started. So he can come with whatever he wants to, but it's Team Crave all day, every day. Remember that. Anyways, we came to you guys with another bang up per usual. And don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys keep watching us, comment, like, share, all that good stuff.
All of that good stuff.
And remember, anything you do in life, you better make it make sense.
Because if you knew better, you do better.
Peace.
Hey now, say now, it's Crave and Leek. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up.